Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and you have completed your previous task of exercise 1.1 question number 1 and 2. Students, today we will start exercise 1.1, that is same exercise, but we will discuss question number 3, that is second method, solve the quadratic equation by completing square method. Today we will discuss the completing square method. This is totally new for you, so you have to try to understand and try to look the video carefully. Okay, students, to solve the given equation by a completing square method, our first step is that we have to write our given equation in the form of standard quadratic equation. So as you can see, it is already in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. It is of this form. First term is of x square, second term is of x, third term is constant, so there is no need to do any step. It is simplified. It is already simplified and it is in standard form. So students, what is the first step to solve the equation by a completing square method? You have to shift the constant on the right hand side. This constant you have to shift on the right hand side. First step is that. Second step is that you have to make the coefficient of x square 1. To make the coefficient of x square 1, you have to divide the x square or all the terms by the same number that is written with x square. Means you have to divide the coefficient of x square by all the terms on both the sides. When we will divide by 11 will be cancelled. We will be having x square minus 34x over 11 is equals to minus 3 over 11. Okay, students, so what is the first step? First step is that we have to shift the constant on the right hand side, and then we have to make the coefficient of x square 1. To make the coefficient of x square 1, we have to divide by 11 on both the sides by all the terms. So what is the third step? The third step is that you have to, on rough side, you have to multiply with 1 by 2 the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x without the sign, without plus or minus. The coefficient of x is 34 over 11. So you have to multiply this 34 over 11 with 1 by 2 and simplify it. It will be cancelled. It is 17 over 11. So after simplification, you will get a new number. This number's whole square you have to add on both the sides. So you have to add the whole square of this number on both the sides is equals to minus 3 over 11 plus 17 over 11 whole square. Now students, this will be formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square you can write in this way. It is a square minus 2 times, if you will write, this is your a and your b is 17 over 11 plus 17 over 11 whole square. So you can see here, if you will cancel these two, if you will multiply 17 2s are 34 x over 11, it is your middle term. So this means that you can write your this expression like this: a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula. Always this side will be a formula. It is the formula of a minus b whole square. Your a is x, your b is 17 over 11, and because of this minus sign with 2ab term, so we will write a minus b whole square is equals to, we have to simplify here. Okay students, so 17 whole square is 289 divided by 11 whole square is 121, and we have taken the LCM. 11 and 121's LCM is 121 minus 33 plus 289. All of you are familiar with by taking the LCM. Now it is 256 divided by 121. square root on both the sides. Square root and square will be cancelled. X minus 17 over 11 will be left is equals to under root of 256 is 16 and under root of 121 is 11. Okay students, now you will write once with plus 16 over 11, once you will write with minus is equals to minus 16 over 11. Now you will simplify and find the value of x. 16 over 11 plus 17 over 11, x is equals to minus 16 over 11 minus plus 17 over 11. X is equals to 23 over 11. X is equals to 1 by 11. 7 33. Sorry, it is 33 over 11, and after cancellation it will be 3. 17 minus 16, 1 by 11. So your solution set is equals to 3 and 1 by 11. This is your solution set. Okay students, now I have taken the difficult part. I have taken the ninth part. In the ninth part you can see here the fraction is involved here, and you have to first of all write the given expression in the form of standard quadratic equation. To write this in the form of standard quadratic equation, as it is a fraction, so you have to multiply the LCM on both the sides with all the terms. What will be the LCM? 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 occurs 2 times. So 3x plus 1 will be the LCM. You will multiply 3x plus 1 with all the terms on both the sides, and after this you will cancel. If it is cancelled, you can cancel. Okay students, so after multiplying with the LCM on both the sides with all the terms, remaining terms we will write 4 3s are 12x plus 4 minus 8 3x square plus 5. Shift all the constants on one side. 3x square plus 12x plus 4 minus 8 will be minus 4, and this minus 5 will come on this side, is equals to 0. Minus 3x square plus 12x minus 9 is equals to 0. Now it is your standard form of a quadratic equation. First we have written x square term, then we have written x term, and then we have written constant. Now students, the first step of completing square method is that you have to shift the constants on right hand side. You have to shift the constant on right hand side is equals to 9. First step is that you have to shift the constant on right hand side, then you have to make the coefficient of x square 1. Means here we must require 1. So to make the coefficient of x square 1, we have to divide all the terms by this number minus 3. We have to divide all the terms by minus 3 to make the coefficient of x square 1. After cancellation it will be x square plus plus minus it will be minus 4x is equals to plus minus 3. You can cancel, it will be cancelled, it will be minus 4 and this will be minus 3. Now the next step is that I have told that on the rough side you have to multiply the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x with 1 by 2. You have to multiply the coefficient of x with 1 by 2 without the sign, that is 4. After cutting 2 2s are 4, we will get a new number, that is 2. X square minus 4x, the new number that you have got after multiplying 1 with 1 by 2, new numbers whole square you have to add on both the sides. Minus 3 plus 2 whole square. We have to add the square on both the sides. I have told here it must be formula. Every time there will be a formula of a square or a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Here it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula of a minus b whole square is equals to minus 3, open the square, 2 to the 4, x minus 2 whole square is equals to 4 minus 3 1. Okay students, now we are left with this expression. Take the square root on both the sides. X minus 2 whole square is equals to 1 square root. Square and square root will be cancelled. X minus 2 is equals to plus minus 1. Once we will write with plus 1 and once we will write with minus 1. So x is equals to 1 plus 2, x is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 1 plus 2, x is equals to 1. So your solution set is equals to 1 and 3. Okay students, now I have taken the part number 10. Okay students, now the part number 10 also you have to solve by the completing square method. I have told that the first step is that you have to arrange your given expression in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here you can see no x square term, no x term is present. First of all you have to simplify the whole expression. 7 will be as it is. Open the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 3a square will be as it is equals to, on this side multiply 5a inside, it will be 35ax plus 115a square. Now shift all the constants on one side. First I will multiply 7 inside with all the terms and I will shift all the constants on one side. Okay, now I have multiply 7 inside with all the terms and I have shift these two terms on one side of equality. On right side there will be 0. Now we have to solve. We have to write like terms. 7x square, then x term 28ax, 35ax. From these two we have to solve. 28 minus 35 will be minus 7ax and then 28 minus 115a square. Okay, now 28a square plus 3a square 31a square minus 115a square is 84a square. Now the given equation is your standard form of a quadratic equation. It is the standard form. You have to solve this equation by completing square method. Hope you have understand the method. Now first step is that you have to shift the constant. Where x is not present, that term is said to be constant. So we have to shift the constant on our right hand side. This is the first step. Second step is that make the coefficient of x square 1. To make the coefficient of x square 1, we have to divide all the terms by 7. 7 will be cancelled. It will be x square minus, it will also be cancelled, ax is equals to, it will be 12a square. Now we have to multiply 1 by 2 with the coefficient of x without the sign. Coefficient of x is a. We will multiply with 1 by 2. New number we will got a by 2. So new numbers whole square we have to add on both the sides. So new numbers whole square we will add on both these sides. Here I have told there must be formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square is equals to 12a square plus a square over 4. Now on this side we will take the LCM. 4 48a square plus a square, it will be 49 a square over 4. Now we are having this expression. In this expression we have to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we have to take the square root on both sides. Square root and square will be cancelled. X minus a by 2 is equals to plus minus 49 square root will be 7, a square root will be a, and 4 square root is 2. So we are having this number. Once we will write with plus and once we will write with minus. So you have to simplify. X is equals to 7a by 2 plus a by 2. X is equals to minus 7a by 2 plus a by 2. Directly we will solve 7a plus a, 8a by 2, minus 7a plus a, 6a by 2. After cutting we are having 4a, x is equals to minus 3a. So we are having this solution set minus 3a and 4a. The parts you have to solve, all the parts are same as the part number 3, 9 and 10. Means you have to first write the given expression in the form of standard quadratic equation, and then you have to arrange, and then you have to solve them by the completing square method as I have explained. Students, your today's diary is exercise 1.1, question number 3. All the parts from part number 1 to 10 you have to practice on your neat registers and try to follow the pattern of PDF. Means you have to write in a very good writing.